So once we're done with our collar, we can just place it onto Kuromi's neck. Here I'm going to just tie it in the back. I'm going to tie it pretty tight here. Then we're done with her collar, and here's how the collar looks when it's on. And now we're going to work on the face. Here we have the eyes and the nose, and we could either crochet them or make them out of felt. If you want to crochet them, I'll have the pattern in the description, but for this Kuromi, we're going to use the felt eyes and nose. So here's how I drew out the eyes and the nose using this grid paper. So the eyes are 6 long and 5 wide, and the nose is 2 squares long and 3 wide. And then I'm just going to cut these out, and I have some felt here. And then once I cut the eyes and nose out, I'm going to place them on the felt, and I'm just going to cut them out. So I'm going to have a pink nose and 2 black eyes. So I'm going to cut 2 of them, and then one of them I'm just going to flip it over. And so here I cut out the 2 eyes and the nose, and now we're going to place them onto Kuromi's face. So here I added Kuromi's eyes, nose, and a little mouth. For the corner of the eye, it's on row number 25 if you're counting from the very top stitch on the head. Or if you're counting from the bottom, from row number 38, it's on row number 13. And then from the side here, there's 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then the little eyelash. And then the next eye is 11 stitches across. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So from the corner of the eye to this corner of the eye, it's 11 stitches. And then the nose, if you're counting from the corner of the eye, this row here, it's 3 down. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And it's on the 6th stitch down. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this should be approximately the middle of the nose. Can probably move it over a little bit. And then we have a little smile here, but we can also tilt it so that she has that little crooked grin. And this is just 1 row down from the nose. So now we're going to glue these on, and then we'll come back. And for the eyes, they kind of go in a little slant. If you can see the corner, and then it goes towards the slant following the row. So this row kind of goes in the slant as well. So just a little slant on the eye, so that it follows the row. And this one, it kind of goes across the stitch, so there's half stitches. So now that we're done gluing on our face, we're going to make sure that our peak is at row number 23, where I have the stitch marker. So I'm going to just bring it down, remove the stitch marker, and now we're finished with our Kuromi. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and this concludes our Kuromi Amigurumi tutorial. I hope that you found it useful. If you have, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you know when our next video is out. Have a wonderful day.